Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Junction box rating and gathering the right tools. This protects against moisture and ensures longevity. Turn off the circuit and verify power is dead with a tester, because safety is non-negotiable. Strip conductors neatly to the specified length and twist stranded wires for a solid connection. Once done, insert cables through the correct gland holes, seating the grommets to keep water out. Make sure wire colors match and position components for minimal stress before tightening screws. Now focus on reliable internal joints. Choose connectors rated for the wire gauge and circuit load, because a loose connection heats and fails. Crimp or screw terminals uniformly and apply dielectric on mixed metal joints to stop corrosion that invites resistance. Route wires inside the box so no conductor is under strain, and secure grounds first to create a safe reference. Once everything is placed, tighten terminals to the recommended torque and trim excess conductor lengths to prevent shorts while preserving. Finish by sealing and mounting the box correctly. Apply silicone to the gasket and gland threads, then tighten lid bolts in a cross pattern to maintain even compression. Mount the enclosure to a stable surface and leave accessible access for inspection. Once powered, test circuits under normal load and monitor for unusual heat or voltage drop. If you detect moisture, isolate power immediately, reopen the box, dry components, inspect seals and cable glands, and replace any corroded connectors before resealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.